Experiencing a sudden no service message on your Straight Talk phone can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need to make an important call or send a message. Understanding why this happens starts with knowing Straight Talk's network infrastructure. After Verizon's acquisition of TracFone in 2021, Straight Talk now primarily uses Verizon's extensive network. When you see no service, it typically stems from four main categories of issues. Let's identify these common culprits before we start troubleshooting. Now let's move to immediate diagnostics. These are quick steps you can perform right away to potentially restore your service without needing technical support. Step 1. Check your signal strength indicator. Look at the signal bars in the top corner of your phone. If you see no bars or very weak signal, this confirms a connectivity issue. Step 2. Toggle airplane mode for exactly 30 seconds. This resets your phone's radio connections and often resolves temporary network glitches. Step 3. Move to different locations to test coverage. Sometimes the issue is simply poor coverage in your current area. Try moving outdoors, to a higher floor, or near a window. Step 4. Restart your device completely. This refreshes all network connections and clears temporary software glitches that might be preventing proper network registration. These 4 immediate diagnostic steps can resolve many common no-service issues quickly. If your service isn't restored after trying these steps, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Straight Talk service issues, it's time to move to advanced troubleshooting techniques. We'll start with SIM card inspection and work through network settings. First, let's examine your SIM card. Physical damage, dirt, or improper seating can cause service disruptions. Remove your SIM card carefully and inspect it for any visible damage. Understanding your SIM card's components helps identify potential issues. The gold contacts must be clean and undamaged for proper communication with your device. If you find damage or suspect SIM card issues, try reseating the card first. Remove it completely, clean the contacts gently with a dry cloth, and reinstall it properly. You can also test the SIM in another compatible phone. If SIM card troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is resetting your network settings. This clears stored network configurations that may be causing conflicts. Access point name, or APN settings, control how your device connects to the mobile network. Incorrect APN settings can prevent data connectivity even when you have signal bars. As a last resort, you may need to perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your device, so it's crucial to back up your important information first. Only attempt this if all other troubleshooting steps have failed. If problems persist after trying these advanced troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact Straight Talk technical support. They can verify your account status, check for payment issues, and confirm device compatibility with their network. These advanced troubleshooting techniques should resolve most persistent Straight Talk service issues. Remember to work through each step methodically, and don't hesitate to contact support when needed.